back, guys. Jumping right into things. Today I'm doing this hair tutorial for you guys. This wig is from rpghair.com and it is the Kim Kardashian inspired Brazilian virgin hair wavy bob. Alright, and yes, this is a lace front wig. Alright, it is 14 inches long and it's 100% Brazilian virgin hair. Okay, I often get questions about the hair type, so that's what it is. It is wavy and it is 150% in density. It is a medium cap size. The lace color is light brown, and yes, the knots are bleached. And yeah, it's of a natural color. So even though it is the Kim Kardashian bob, I was getting Khloe Kardashian from this, like, because she's been rocking that blonde bob for a while now. I was going to bleach it initially, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna keep it this color because I was really feeling it, so I didn't have to do much. And as you can see, it comes pre-plucked, which I'm so happy. Most of the wigs that I've been getting from RPG Hair since lately, the front is pre-plucked, but you know, sometimes I want to do a little bit more, so I did go in and, you know, just kind of, you know, pluck it a little bit more to my liking, because I really wanted the front to come off really natural looking when I go ahead and apply it to my head. So that's what I was doing here. If you guys need a like detailed wig routine, I will link that video in the description box. You guys can check out that. Comes with really nice pretty waves, but I wanted to give the hair a little bit more definition in terms of the wavy look. So I went in, and what I did, it was really simple. What you see me doing here, I'm just twisting the hair. Yeah, regular twist, nothing special. Twisting it, and then what I'm gonna proceed to do is take my old busted flat iron and just clamp down on the twist, and literally this creates the prettiest waves ever. Through researching and all of that, I actually found this method here on YouTube, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. And guys, it's so easy, it's quick, it's convenient. If you really want to just achieve really effortless beachy looking waves, I feel like this method is like one of the easiest, and it gets your waves popping. Like, it looks really good. I went in on the front with some of my pink luster holding spray, because you know that this wig came with a center part initially, and I wanted to eliminate that because you guys know that I'm mostly a side part type of chick. So I just sprayed the front there to lay the hair in the direction I wanted it to be. And you know, I took the side of my flat iron and I just laid this down so that everything would stay in place, and that's all I did for that. This is me with my braids out and stuff, freshly done. I get a lot of questions on how I take care of my natural hair beneath my wigs all the time. So what I'm going to show you guys is what I do. Literally, I just take some Jamaican black castor oil. You use any brand you prefer, alright? I'm not going to even get too specific with that, but I usually just go in with my Jamaican black castor oil, and literally this bottle, the top part of this bottle is very convenient because I just spray the amount I want between my braids and just use my fingers to rub that in to my scalp and just get it all over my roots. And this just keeps my hair well moisturized, and you know, the castor oil really maintains the fullness of my hair and all that jazz. So that's literally all I do, and then I proceed to doing whatever else I need to do to apply the wig. So as you can see, I'm going in with my Got To Be gel, and I'm just allowing it to get a little tacky, and then I'm taking my wig, alright, and I'm just gonna pop this on to my head, alright, and yeah. Now I'm just focusing on laying the edges to my head, and you see how natural the front looks. That's exactly what I want. You know, you definitely, the baby hair portion is optional as always, so you know, just do whatever floats your boat. And right now I'm just taking my fingers to just rake through the twists, and this hair, I don't even remember me mentioning, but it's so silky and soft. I really love the feeling, and it's super light, super light. This is a super manageable wig. I really love how the quality feels. It doesn't feel heavy, and it's not like super like, okay, what do you say, the fullness is just right. All right, so what I'm doing now is just taking a little bit of my face powder to make the parting there a little bit more pronounced, and so that everything just kind of, you know, blend in a little bit better. And yeah guys, that's pretty much all I did for this wig. As I said, yes, it still looks like that bob that Kim loves rocking, but this is also the look that Khloe Kardashian been rocking since lately, and I really do like it. Look at the waves, you know, it's so nice, and it looks very effortless. I love it. I really love this wig. I never think that I'd be so in love with it, but it's really nice, and it's, as I said, it's a quick and easy style to achieve. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. It wasn't too long. I didn't want to keep you guys too long, but yeah, I'll leave all the, you know, details on it down below in the description box. Don't forget to use my code SUE15 and PETITE-10 if you're interested in, you know, just purchasing this or any other wig on rpghair.com. Yeah, that's it for today guys, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday, so stay tuned. Yeah, bye.